Okay, so what I'm going to be doing today is filling my room up with stuff. So I'm going to show y'all my room. Closet, bed, now clean. Whoops. Windows, TV, calendar, favorite time every year, April. Go for my desk. Okay, that was my room tour. Okay, and that is my bathroom. So I just have to keep on moving up and stuff. So sorry. I don't know what to talk about. I don't know. Welcome to my video, and subscribe, hit that like button. Bye. Love y'all. Have fun.